My thoughts on music education on the whole is it's excellent, it's well needed, it should happen more in public schools. Musicians Institute certainly serves a very, very good purpose in giving people a basic grounding in what they hope to do in the future, be it as a musician or an engineer.
One of the things that really turned me on about the school was the strong communal environment. That a lot of students can come here whether they want to play guitar, sing, play bass, or become a recording engineer. MI really prepares you and gives you the tools to really get out there and do well.
The fact that you get to book the studios on your own and learn the boards and run them, and it's really like it's a test on you, so that you're not just being shown by the teacher how to use it. You get time by yourself, 4 hours at a time. Just be in there and learn what you're doing.
The program was wonderful. I learned a lot of great things. It gave me the foundation in order to grow a career in the music industry. And I wouldn't be where I'm at today if it wasn't for it.
It's nice to be in a place where you're furthering the knowledge, because you have an impact on what the future of the industry could be. I would say the faculty here has a big thing to do with why I would choose this school over other schools.
The audio engineering program is a holistic approach to audio that encompasses the technical, business, and production side of the industry. What's most important is to understand the role of the engineer. An audio engineer is a muse between the artist, and that artist might be yourself, and its audience. As an engineer, you are a translator of sounds, ideas, and passion. To approach this, we do a few things here in the AE program. We have fantastic faculty. Many have Grammys, Emmys, multi-platinum hits, and have a complete understanding of the audio industry. We have small classes where the student-to-teacher ratio is low. You as a student have the ability to book sessions on your own in the studios. We have state-of-the-industry gear and computers, and lastly, MI is a Pro Tools, Avid, and Logic certified school, meaning you can get your certifications here, something employers will recognize. So what does this mean? We teach our students as if we're going to hire you right out of MI. Your success is our success. We offer a 2-quarter certificate program. This program gives you a fundamental understanding of audio, the recording studios, and how to record, mix, and edit sounds. We teach you how to listen to sound, understand the music business, and give you the technical skills to hone in on your audio. You'll receive a fundamental understanding of console operations on the API and Neve, 2 cores of Pro Tools, a studio technology course, a business of audio course, critical listening, vocal production, introduction to post-production and live sound, musicianship, and mixing. We now offer a 6-quarter Associate of Science degree in studio recording. This program is a hands-on, comprehensive overview of studio recording. You'll receive an in-depth understanding of console operations on the API, Neve, SSL and Euphonics, 4 quarters of Pro Tools and other digital audio workstations, studio technology courses, music industry courses, a history of recorded music, musicianship. You'll get 3 quarters of mixing, 8 electives, and a final project 1 and 2, where you will find your own musicians and create your own studio session. We also offer a 6-quarter Associate of Science degree in live music event production. This program is a practical, comprehensive overview of live music, and you'll receive an in-depth understanding of live sound console operations for front of house and monitors, staging, safety and rigging, repair and troubleshooting, live recording, mixing and playback, business courses like event production and tour management, lighting. You'll get 8 electives and a final project 1 and 2. How important is it to continually evolve the programs? Very important. As technology changes, so does the audio engineer. In the past, engineers did one thing very well, but nowadays, the engineer is the songwriter, producer, and artist. You need to know these roles. With the proliferation of gear, it's easier to produce studio quality recordings now, and cheaply. We'll teach you how. Genres of music are combining, so it's important to understand the landscape. Lastly, with streaming services, music is playing 24/7. There are more distribution channels, and you need to understand them. What are some of the gear and classes unique to MI's audio engineering program? Classes like music mastering, a course that closes the gap between your recording and what's heard on the radio or streaming. Another class like mixing essentials, where you can take up to 3 quarters to understand the fundamentals of how to mix the different genres. Industry standard consoles like the SSL, API, Neve, and Euphonics. Also, we've added a brand new Avid SXL console in the concert hall and a new Yamaha CL5 front of house console in our newly built venue, Livehouse. Computer systems showcasing the latest versions of digital audio workstations like Pro Tools, Logic, Reason, and Ableton.
I am here today in Hollywood, California at the Live House as part of the Musicians Institute. Make sure you put Musicians Institute on your bucket list to check out. This is a world-renowned college in the world, and I know they have students from all over the world attending here. You would be remiss if you did not at least check out what they have to offer. Amazing facility. We've been partnered with them for 40 years, and we would not be partnered with 40 years if this place wasn't top-notch. So one of the advantages as well at MI with the audio gear here in the mixers is, for example, right next to me there's a CL5. This mixer is really the state-of-the-art. So if you do come here, you're learning on a mixer that is used, globally accepted around the world as basically becoming the standard. This is the baby brother also to our PM7 and our PM10, and those boards are used standard for major concert tours. So if you come here and you learn on these boards, you'll be able to take the next step into the PM7 and PM10 because those are in fact the standard for touring musicians around the world.
Why is MI the best option for audio courses in Hollywood? Quite simply, we are an entire community of artists here, and it creates a wonderful synergy. We are a school of performance and a school of industry. Most schools are one or the other. We have world-class faculty and facilities and practical hands-on curriculum. You'll be working the gear and applying real-world knowledge to actual gigs and sessions. We are in the epicenter of the audio industry, where some of the most prestigious studios and venues reside, like Capitol Studios, Record Plant, and the Hollywood Bowl. This, along countless record labels, publishing companies, engineers, and artists.